Hello, my name is Misha Sabao. Today it's Let's Do, and now it is a Rubik's Cube. It is part 4. So yes, it is. Look at this. Oh, it dropped it. Look at this. And your Mugman. And this. Welcome, and he is my man. Oh, try again. Welcome, and he is my man. The legend a long time. I chain it. Okay, joking. Okay. So in this Rubik's here, and this Cuphead is Mugman. Yeah, brother. You red and blue. So I guess right here, Rubik's Cube part 4. So yeah, amazing. So it's right here. Okay. Okay. Okay, right here. There you go. Just like that. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. 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 So then now in this. So yeah. There you go. See? Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh. See right here. Okay. C right there. Goes here, here, here. Okay. So now the Rubik's Cube. Gotta get that. Okay. Okay. Right here. So guess. Right here. Oops. Sorry, no, yes, it goes here. Yeah. Alright. So I guess it's right here. And it is. Okay. Oh wait. Hang on. Forgot. Okay. It's right here. And right here. Here. And here, here, and here, 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 and here, here. Okay? Okay, that's right here. And here, 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 and here, here, and here. Just like that. See? And right here. Rubik's Cube. Okay. Great. Okay. Oh! Okay. Okay.
Wait. You?
Okay. Oh? Okay. Oh? Okay. Huh? Ah. Okay. Huh? Okay, yeah, last now. Okay. 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 You here? Okay. Last now. Okay. Last now. Okay. Right here. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. So please subscribers, Mr. Super L, click like, and now is please thumbs up and now it is. So I guess so alright guys, thanks for watching the video. The subscribers, see you next time. Bye.